My name's Chris Lee. I'm the Ashton boatman, and I work for the Wooden Canal Boat Society. I'm just about to introduce you to the Wooden Canal Boat Society's Heritage Boatyard at Knoll Street in Staley Bridge. So we come through the secret little door in the wall, and here you see a little bit of garden that we've put together. A lot of spuds growing, some of them have suffered from drought I'm afraid, but most important just here is one of the leaky old wooden boats of the future, an oak tree that we're going to plant out. So further into what may to the untrained eye look like a zone of chaos, but actually everything here has a use or potential use, and we're constantly working on things using stuff that's around here. This pile of pipes here, we've just rooted it out because on Wednesday, a couple of days time, we're going to be raising a sunken boat, so we'll need that for the pumps. This is the engineering department, and you can see there engine that's going to go into Southam, identical virtually to the one that we've just taken out, which has been in there since 1965 when she was first motorised. And there you see Stefan's little hidey hole where he does all his wonderful work on engines. We come along here, this is Nessie, who's looking for something in the...
I'm trying all these petrol cans out with these.
Ready for the boat raising. Yeah, excellent. Yeah, lovely. Nessie is a multifunctional volunteer. If we go on, we can see Stuart at work selecting timber for some jobs that he's doing. On here is a slide for Hazel, which is being refurbished into the outdoor workshop, and you can see Kim and Stuart consulting over work that they're doing. And over here is newcomer Ben, who's preparing a new deck lid for Forget-Me-Not. So everything's being worked on. We need more volunteers, and we need more money as well, because when we do need to buy materials, it don't come cheap. So I'm now down by the Huddersfield Narrow Canal. We look round, you can see over here a wall behind all the foliage and ivy and stuff. When we got this boatyard, the depth of material was the top of the wall, where the top wall, which is the boundary wall to somebody's house, starts. So it's about 2 metres, and we dug all that out. Southam, built in 1936 and converted in 1965. We are now refurbishing her. She's the best of the unrestored boats. As you can see, the cabin is getting a little bit ratty, so we're renewing all of that, all these cabin sides. There's a plank here that's going to need to be replaced, and in the autumn she's going on dry dock to have some planks replaced below the waterline, and then she'll go into service, travelling the country, promoting the Wooden Canal Boat Society, doing some towing for Hazel, the Wellbeing boat, and Lilith, which works on the recycling trips. Over here we have the brew hut. It's a nice day, so nobody's going inside today, but there you can see the sawdust burner. We use everything possible, and the boatyard creates lots of sawdust. What do? Use it as a fuel in the winter to keep us nice and warm. Wheelbarrows under repair, we use them on the recycling trips. So this is the place where we do most of the repair work, and we can actually pull boats out of the water here. We pulled Hazel out of the water here in 2011, launched her again in 2013, and she's now in use as a wellbeing boat.
Well, the FCA told us that they believe they've already done a lot and they have no plans, for example.
But this is all supported by running the charity shop and donations, which is what I'd like you to do. Give us a little bit of money, because we're doing wonders for the heritage of the waterways, and while we're doing that, we're helping people with mental health problems who find that being on the canals is really good for them, but we're struggling a bit financially, so if you'd like to press the PayPal button next to this, that would be really, really good. And I'm just going to finish off with a nice view of the roses.